Hello, Japanese learners. Sayaka Sensei here. Welcome to Kanji 1026. Today, I would like to make some changes. In the beginning of this project, I said one kanji per day, but thank you for J10. I hope my pronunciation is correct. So J10 says that 1026 equals almost 3 years, which is true. He mentioned that he wants to learn at least 5 kanji per day. So J10 was very realistic about learning kanji, and then I was so appreciate what you comment. So let's be realistic. 1026, we've done so far 28 kanji, and let's say we learn 5 kanji from now on average. That leaves us 199.6, close to 200. So let's say 200 days from now on, we will complete 1026 kanji, which is way better than 3 years. So Jaytin, thank you so much. Arigatou ne. So from now on, I'm going to teach you more than one kanji. Today, I'm going to show you 5 kanjis. These 5 kanjis that it's actually easy to remember. I'm going to show you connecting the dot to remember kanji. So today I'm going to share how to remember kanji by connecting the dots. What I mean by that is that you use the knowledge you already know. For example, I think you already know the meaning of these kanjis. Today I'm going to use these kanji, connecting this one or this one, this one or this one, then introduce new kanji. That's connecting dots. Learning doesn't mean anything unless you use it in a real life situation. We are going to learn kanji in 5 steps here. Step 1, meaning of the kanji and pronunciation. Step 2, stroke orders. I will show you step by step how to write the kanji neatly. Step 3 is the vocabulary. I will share the vocabulary with the kanji so that you can build up your Japanese vocabulary while you are learning kanji. Step 4 is the flashcard. I will show you the word, you read it out loud to check your memory. Step 5 is the test. I will show you the Japanese sentences with the kanji we have learned. Hopefully, you can read it by yourself. Alright, before we start, let's review these 3 kanjis you already learned. This one means the sun, pronunciation, hi, nichi. This one means the moon, pronunciation, tsuki, gatsu. This one means 10, pronunciation, ju, 10. We are going to add one new part, which is kusakamuri. This one called kusakamuri. Kusakamuri indicates plants. Today's theme is addition, kanji addition. So we are going to add this one plus this one or this one plus this one, something like that. So these are the problems that we are going to solve today. And the last one, I think you will like it. Let's begin. 人、月で bright。音が明、妙。くんが明るい。類送り仮名です。あける。These are the words using this kanji. Red means くん読み。Blue means 音読み。Can you guess how to read them? We're gonna go through that in a minute, but next I'm gonna show you the stroke orders. まず、火を書きます。縦、1、止め、横、折る、2、つける、つける、つける、つける。次、月を書きます。縦、払う、つける、折る、跳ねる、つける、1、離す。ここ開けてください。明るい。もう一度。1、2、 3、4、5、6、7、8。明るい月を見る。明るい月を見る。明日と言います。We say it 明日 but usually we use it for irregular way, which is 明日。明日の天気は晴れ。明日の天気は晴れ。明白な嘘。You write 明白 when you pronounce it, E becomes wrong sound. 明白、明白、明白な嘘。人、10で early。音読みはそう。訓読みは早い。Can you guess how to pronounce these words? We're gonna check it later. First, let's do the stroke orders. 早いです。早いは日に10を書きます。1、折る、2、つける、つける、つける、つける。で、横、長いです。止める、つける、縦、す、早い。1、2、3、4、5、6。早口な人。早口な人。早起きする。早起きする。10と早い月。morning。音読みは朝。訓読みは朝。Can you guess how to read those? 朝です。朝は、10から書きます。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12。もう一度。10を書きます。止め、止め、縦、折る、つける、つける。もう一度10。横、縦、つけてください。月です。払い、折る、羽ね、つける、つける。朝です。早朝のジョギング。早朝のジョギング。朝日、朝日。草冠、早い becomes grass。音がそう。早いの音と同じです。The same sounds with early, which is good, because easy to remember. くんは草。These are the words with this kanji. 草です。草はこの早いに草冠をつけます。草冠は漢字の上にあります。草冠を書きます。横です。1、止める。縦、払う。2、3、そして早いを書きます。草冠から書きます。1、止め、払い、払い。縦、止める。横、折る。つける、つける。長い、止める、つける。す。草むしり、草むしり。ほうれん草、ほうれん草。明るい月。明日。 明白な嘘。ほうれん草。草むしり。朝ごはん。早口。早朝。早起き。明るい月。明日。明白な嘘。ほうれん草。草むしり。朝ごはん。早口。早朝。早起き。Final test. Can you read these sentences? I want you to pause it and try to read it. Okay, here's the answer. 明日の朝、早起きして庭で草むしりをします。朝ごはんはほうれん草と卵を食べます。夜に明るい月を見ます。はい、今日の最後です。この漢字です。草冠に明るいを書きます。これで、萌えです。萌え。アニメとかでとっても可愛いキャラクターを見ると、萌えって言うんですね。日本のアニメのカルチャーで。この萌えは草冠に明るいです。女の子の名前でこの漢字を使って萌えという名前もあります。How was it? That's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. I upload kanji video every day, so please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any videos. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.